Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a couple of wallets right here, and I'd say these two are my most used wallet. So let me start with the Victorine wallet. I got her in 2018, I believe, and look at the canvas. It's still beautiful. It's still shiny right here. And as you guys could see, the button. So the button for this, the snap closure button, is actually covered with the leather, with a smooth leather. And look at it right now. After 5 years, it's deteriorating. As the time goes by, you'll see wear and tear, mainly at the button part, because that's where you're constantly closing, opening, the pressure, the oil in your hands. So basically you see a lot of wear at the button right here. And I think I found a video on YouTube that the only way for you to protect this button closure with the leather finish is to put a, how do you call that one, a nail polish, a clear nail polish, but I didn't even try that at all. And also what I did was just put the leather conditioner to condition it. But anyway, that is a normal wear and tear for a leather, guys. So anyway, I will be taking this for a repair, and let's take a look at inside. The interior is still gorgeous. It's still new. Very nice, with the cowhide leather trim inside. Look, it's still beautiful. As far as the wear and tear on the glazing are perfectly intact. Right here, there might be some smudges though. Yeah, these are some glue. But as far as the glazing, I didn't see any issues at all. Right here, I love the color. So this gorgeous red is absolutely stunning. Well, I can't believe that I had this for 5 years and the interior still looks new. But of course, the outside, it's part of wear and tear. Let me just close this. As you guys have noticed right there, this part is actually bulging, and that is normal. And also on the other side as well, right here, it started to like curl up a little bit, and that was just a normal wear and tear. Okay, wow, it is stunning. I love the canvas, so beautiful. So moving on to the next item, it is the Josephine wallet. So this wallet, I have this for a long time. I believe I got this in 2012 or 13, and the canvas is still holding up beautifully. And look at that, for a 10-year-old. Look at that one right here, the snap closure. It's still intact though. It is still intact. So wow, so as you guys could see right here, started to peel. And I love the fact that my wallet, this wallet, it's not curling up like the others that I have seen. It started to curl on the flap. I totally dislike that. And then let's open it. So this is the setup inside. Okay, so whenever when I don't use my wallet, I always put a stuffing to keep its shape. All of them. So anyway, so this is the setup inside right there. It has a removable pouch, which I never use. Okay, this is the interior, this beautiful red lining inside. And see, as you guys could see right here, let me show you the card slot. It started to curl up. And does that bother me? I mean, only the flap bothers me, but with this one, no. This one doesn't bother me at all. So this is how it looks inside. If you want a long wallet with some card slots, more card slots than usual, this one is actually perfect. So there is a lot of compartment on this one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, and we also have a side pocket right here in this corner, another pocket right here, and this one also has a hidden pocket where you can definitely hide something in here. Look at that. Wow, it's like an envelope where you could put anything inside. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is very, very interesting though. So let's take a look at the wear. So after so many years, this is how it looks. And also some fraying right here. I mean, I'm not sure if the stitching started to unravel, but I didn't see that one over there. So the glazing is holding up beautifully. Yeah, this one. Okay, let me just open it one more time. Yeah, right there. Some issues over in that part. That part actually get a lot of pressure from constant opening and closing. So I'd say, well, for a 10-year-old wallet and it's still holding up pretty well, I think it's definitely worth a penny. Definitely worth everything, this wallet right here. And the canvas is still looking pretty new. I didn't polish this at all. I did not. And it's still, wow, it's pretty amazing. So I will be sending this to our atelier for a repair. Right there. Yeah. So you guys could see. So if you have anyone, if you own a Josephine or the Victorine wallet who has this type of closure and it started to wear, you just take it to Louis Vuitton, and I think the replacement is free of charge. Okay, and then this one right here, I never used this one. I've never used it. And yeah, so anyway, this is a short review, and also the wear and tear of this wallet. Both of these, I will be taking them to Louis Vuitton for a repair. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.